This RTX 4090 just rendered a full 4K cycles frame in 38 seconds flat. And it's not even in my room. Welcome back to iRender GPU. Today, we're putting the RTX 4090 Cloud Render Farm through a real Blender Cycles benchmark. No local GPU, no expensive workstation, just a browser, a scene file, and a cloud machine that costs a fraction of buying the hardware. Let's jump straight into the dashboard and see how fast this actually is. This is the iRender GPU dashboard. I already have an RTX 4090 machine running with Blender pre-installed. One click on Connect, choose the fastest gateway, and I'm remoted straight into my GPU server. And here we are. Blender 4.5.3, project already open. A detailed classroom interior scene set to render with cycles. Render engine, cycles, device, GPU compute. This is where the RTX 4090 does all the heavy lifting. Sampling is set to 256 max samples with a 0.01 noise threshold, denoised with open image denoise at high quality. Let's double check the hardware Blender is actually using. There it is. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 running through the OptiX backend, confirmed and ready. Output is set to 4K, 3840 by 2160 at 200% resolution scale across a full 145 frame animation at 25 frames per second. That's a genuinely heavy render job, exactly the kind of workload a single local GPU would struggle to churn through fast. Time to hit render. I'm running MSI Afterburner alongside so you can see the GPU working in real time. Watch the usage graph, spiking straight to the 90% range every single frame. This GPU is not holding back. Frame after frame, the RTX 4090 chews through this detailed cycle scene in well under 40 seconds each. Temperatures stay controlled too, peaking around the high 40s to 50s, nowhere near thermal throttling. And here's the full result. iRender's GPU Cloud Workstation 3S, RTX 4090 with 24 GB of RAM, paired with an AMD Threadripper Pro 5975WX. 256 GB of RAM, 2 TB NVMe SSD storage. A full production-grade workstation, rented by the hour. For this 4K, 145 frame cycles animation at 256 samples, the average render time came out to just 38.3 seconds per frame. Do the math. A full local render of this project would take hours. On iRender's Cloud RTX 4090, it's done before your coffee gets cold. New accounts get a 100% bonus on their first top-up within 24 hours, plus 10% savings when you pay per 3-hour block. As always, offers like this can change, so check iRendering.net for the latest pricing before you commit. If you're a Blender or Cycles artist tired of waiting on your own GPU, this is what a real cloud render farm looks like. Subscribe for more real GPU benchmarks, render farm comparisons, and cloud rendering deep dives. Turn your computer into a supercomputer. Your renders, your rules.